So I made a SCARA robot, 2-axis arm manipulator. One of my classes is a robotics class, and this is basically the problem to find the position of the end effector, the end of the manipulator. And so right now it's just 2 servos with just a sweep function. One sweeps, then the next one. I can play with the code a bit to have more control of the position. Right now it's just kind of to get it working. And I printed these parts, quickly draft them up, printed them up, and it works pretty good. It's a bit heavy for it. It just kind of weighs it down. Maybe I can tighten up the screws though. But yeah, pretty cool project. Well, and I just used that remote control car because it had has a servo on it, and I just left it in there and used it as the mount. Seems like a good base to have it mounted on. Yeah, pretty cool. But this one's a bit jerky. I don't know why, but definitely beef jerky in there for sure. Right here, it skips a bit, but the other one works better. So it's pretty good. Good enough. Good enough is good enough. Okay, so I showed the manipulator working, and I drafted this up in Onshape. Onshape, I like Onshape. It's a browser-based 3D modeling that's free, and I like it. Works pretty good. But I'm gonna edit something. No, this one. Because this was a bit too tight, I had to sand it. So let's make it 12 millimeters. And this. Let's do both 0.2 higher. Oops. Well, actually, I don't have screws to put this in, but since it fit a tight tolerance, the one I'm using is just snug in there. Actually, I don't have any fasteners in it, so I should probably fasten that if I really want to keep this. And then yeah, I just printed this up, and yeah, and then the code. So I just found the base one in examples, servo, and sweep, and it sets up the servo function, and I created another one. Yeah, I can use that, I guess. And then here you put the pins, and I was testing to check the position of it, but it doesn't go past 0 or less than 0. So I was trying to get it to -90 on the front arm, but it didn't really work. But this one, yeah. This one was the loop. So this is the loop that comes in that example. So then I just made another one. And honestly, to get like what I'm learning in the robotics class is the position of the end effector is you have to do forward and reverse kinematics, and it's that's the struggle I'm trying to get through to learn the concept of this class. But getting it to you can control it, be able to control the end effector where it needs to be that's you use MATLAB and you can to place the position like here. SCARA robot ribbit. And so you see this is what I have, and yeah, to get functions to do this is quite challenging. So that might be the next little challenge. So But yeah, I think this was a pretty good project. Just thought of it because I was like working on this on the robot position problems. I was like, I should just build one. Well, might as well. And then I did. And yeah, I think that's gonna be all for today. And until next time.